let us take the number 147 and we would multiply it with 6. So our multiplicand is 147 and our multiplier is 6. Now what it says is Gunyantya. Hello all. Today we shall read a very interesting manuscript which I have chanced upon. One of the sheets is present over here, and from the screen, whatever we are seeing, it is quite evident this manuscript has not been conserved properly, and most of a large chunk of it is worm-eaten. So we do not know how well the entire manuscript or the original manuscript has been conserved, and if the text is entirely lost altogether. The script what we are seeing over here on screen is the Sharada script. Sharada script was a script used in the Kashmir region before the introduction of Islam. Kashmir was called Kashmira Mandalam in Sanskrit, and it was a great seat of learning. In fact, the Sharada Peetham established by Srimad Adi Shankaracharya was established in Kashmir because uh, it was already a great center of learning over there, and it was considered equivalent to the great university of Nalanda and Takshashila. The Nalanda and Takshashila, along with Sharada Peetham, were not just places of religious education, but they were also places of secular education and different arts and sciences. The manuscript which you see on screen is a mathematical manuscript, and we shall be deciphering that today. There is a viramam over here, and the viramam symbolizes that the idea which had been imparted in the previous text is complete. So we will not really bother about deciphering this particular section before the viramam, this particular word. We would read after the viramam. So it says gu. This is a gu over here, ga and an ukaram, gunya. The na over here should be read. This is the na over here in the Sharada Lipi, gunyantya. It says gunya, then there is a sanyuktakshara. The na is in the Sharada Lipi, similar to the Nagari script, is written like this, and gunyant, a dirgham is written like this, gunya, and a yakaram is given like this, so it becomes a gunya. Gunyanta, it's a sanyuktaksharam. Then similarly gunyantya, here it is a tya. Gunyantya ma, this is a makaram. Gunyantya mankam. Once again, we have a gu. Gunakena. It is a ka with an ekaram. Gunakena. Gunakena hat. Hanya ha. This is a na and a yakaram. Hanya. Hanya dutsaritena. There is a dutsaritena. Dutsariten. Dutsariteneva. Dutsariten. Okay, I'm sorry. It is a naiva, and second horizontal bar is covered due to the previous thing. Dutsarite naiva. Naivam. Upanta. Upanti. There is an ikaram over here. Upanti. Madina. Upanti madin. Then there is a gu. Once again, gunya. Gunyastu. It is a gunyasta. Then we have a vakaram, gunyastvadho, dho, guna, gunakhando, okay, it is not an okaram, gunakhanda, tulya, gunakhanda tulya staihi, it is a stai, we should observe these two horizontal bar over here, staihi, khanda, this is a khanda, khandakais, khandakai sangunito, khandakaihi sangunito, it says khandakaihi sangunito, then yuto va. So we will stop till here and over here and analyze the text whatever we have read till now. It says gunyantyaman gunyantamankam gunakena han hanyadutsariteenaiva mupantimadina. Then gunyastvadho dho, it is a it is a sandhi of gunyah to adho, then adho गुण्यस्त्वधो अधो गुणाखण्ड तुल्यस्तैः स्तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितो is खण्डकैः संगुणितो युतो va. So what it means is gunya is a multiplicand and gunaka is a multiplier. So this is a formula for multiplication. Now it says gunyantyam antyamankam. So the last word of the multiplicand गुणकेन हन्यादुत्सरितेनैव mupantimadina. So the multiplicand should be broken down beginning from the ending digit into different digits, and it should be multiplied along with the multiplier, and each of the digits, each of the numbers so attained, each of the pieces so attained should be added together. So what it says is, we will take an example for easier understanding of this. Let us take the number 147. So what it says is, let us take the number 147 and we would multiply it with 6. So our multiplicand is 147 and our multiplier is 6. Now what it says is gunyantya, uh, what it says is gunyantya mankam gunakena hantya gunyantya over here is the ending ankam, that is the ending digits of gunya is 7 over here, and we will segregate each of them, and similarly the upantyam ankam is 4, and the uh, final, the adi ankam is 1. So, so the digits which we arrive from 147 are 1, 4, and 7. Then it says gunakena hantya. Gunakena, we need to multiply each of them. So 7 into 6 gives us 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 times 6 is 42, and 4 multiplied by I just put it over. 4 multiplied by 6 gives us 24, and 1 multiplied by 6 gives us 6. So what it further says is, now we have multiplied each of the each of the digits of the number 127 of the multiplicand. It says gunyantyam ankam gunakena hantyat utsaritenaivam upantimadin गुण्यस्त्वधो अधो गुणखण्डतुल्य स्तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितो युतो वा. So now it says gunyastva gunyastvadho adho guna khanda. So adha is below, so we need to write down each of these numbers one by one below each other. So what do we write? The 42, since the last digit is 42, 42 is the number which we arrive by multiplying the multiplicand with the last digit of the multiplier, which is 7 times 6 is 42, and below that we write the digit before the last digit, which was 4. So 4 times 6 is 24, and below, and so on. So the last number which we come over here is 6. Then it says gunyantyamankam gunakena hanyad utsaritenaiva upantimadina गुण्यस्त्वधो अधो गुणखण्ड तुल्यस्तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितो गुण्यस्त्वधो अधो गुणखण्डतुल्यस्तैः खण्डकैः संगुणितो युतो वा. Okay, so and these numbers we have to write one below each other, and but in an order such that the last digit of each of the khandam, that is each of this broken number, coincides with the penultimate digit of the previous khandam. So 42, So we should write for 24 such that it is the 4 and of 24 and the 4 of 42 are below one another. So this is how I should write. So 42, 24. Similarly, the last one. So 6 is the last digit of 24 is 4 and the one digit before it is 2. So 6 we have written properly. And then sangunito yutova, yuto. So we need to yutaha. So we need to add all these together. So when we add all this, it becomes 6 plus 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 2 is 2. So the hence based on this particular formula given in this particular text, gunyantiyamankam gunakena hantya han, gunyantiyamankam gunakena hanyadutsariteenaiva mupantimadin गुण्यस्त्वधो अधो गुणखण्डतुल्यस्तैः खण्डकैः सङ्गुणितो युतो वा. According to this particular shlokam over here, uh, we arrive at the result of 882. So 147 times 6 yields 882. So this system method seems to be very similar to whatever we have used. We are habituated since childhood. It is a typical standard method of multiplying numbers, but we would once again verify it against a calculator. So I am opening a calculator over here. So it says 147 into 6 yields 882. So we see that the ancient Sanskritists also had a multiplication formula, one of the multiplication formulas which is similar. Over here it also says va. So the va over here indicates that there is a yet another formula, but which we shall read in the next video. If you like the contents of this video, please do express your views in the comment section. Please do drop a like if you like this particular video, and also do not forget to share and subscribe the YouTube channel to read more and more manuscripts. And if you are privy to any manuscripts, please do share those with me. I'd love to read those manuscripts. Thank you all and have a wonderful day.